In the heart of Willowville, there was a bakery run by a dragon named Puff. Customers lined up each morning, eager for his famous pastries. But there was a secret ingredient behind every treat: Puff's unpredictable sneezes. One day, as he mixed dough, he felt a tickle in his snout. With a mighty "achoo," a burst of cinnamon and rainbow sprinkles shot from his nostrils, landing perfectly in the batter. The result? The most magical muffins the town had ever tasted. People left with smiles, never knowing what delightful surprise they'd find next.